from the command center, jwsolarusa. Today is just a day I'm gonna show you how to prepare some Easter dish right here with jwsolarusa in the kitchen. Folks, this is what I have for you here. This is a tilapia fish which came from this package right here. So it says tilapia fillet. See that? So it's a skinless and boneless. This is what we bring in. I'm gonna be preparing for you guys, and everything is I'm gonna show you now. The video is all prepared. Sorry, I didn't get out into the video, and it's too late because everything was done. Well, I hope you can see is just the way you look at it here on the package. It looks not cooked, okay? But this is how jwsolarusa prepare his, and you guys can see the thing is fried, deep fried, and the fish with the couscous. You guys supposed to, you can Google that and see what a couscous is, and the onions and carrots and all seasoning into that food. I know you guys, this is a little Easter dish here. If you want to prepare something quick for your family, it doesn't take that long. Approximately, if you get everything ready, prepared, set to go, it takes about 45 to almost an hour. An hour is too much. So this is the deal, folks. This is the deal. It looks really, really, really good. Really good. And this is a quick fix for Easter. And fish is all seasoned. The seasoning is really good. And trust me, it's just me throwing right there the fork. Oh, that was good. See that? Well, jwsolarusa is going to be sampling this one. And let's see how everything goes. Right here from the channel. If you're just tuning in, don't be too hungry, because this is live from the kitchen. jwsolarusa. This is how we prepare food here for Easter. Yeah, that's for the Easter food. And this is what exactly you can buy these at Aldi's. You can buy these at Cobb. You can buy these at all your good grocery stores. Like they call it Sea Queen tilapia fillet, skinless and boneless. It's pretty good, pretty good. It's reasonable as well. You can see I'm always a pound. You know, it's a 2 pound, you know, value right there. So take care, folks, and I hope this one makes sense, and I hope you like, subscribe, thumbs up, and share. It's another good dish for you guys today, right here at the jwsolarusa. Here are the specifications. If you want to preheat the oven to about 425 degrees Fahrenheit, you bake for 6 to 10 minutes if you want to bake. So I'll give you the quick stuff back here. You guys can see. Yeah, you can go about it if you want to bake it. Sometimes you bake it, sometimes you just deep fry it if you want to. So I feel like deep frying it today, but this is the way I want it. I always like to have my food really cooked. Really looks good. And some of you guys like it a little bit reddish, or you know, pink. I like it well done. Well done. So this is the sample right here, and it's really good. It's really good. Good. So I'll sample that. I'll tell you how it is on the part 2. Stay tuned and have a great Easter. Take care, folks. Bye. All right, YouTube, jwsolarusa, another episode today. Well, just did some groceries and pick up all these veggies, fruits you can think of. You get apples, bananas, you got some grapes, you got some strawberry, you got some pear. Some different kind of stuff here. So names there, you can see. It's more. We have a lot of fruits, a lot of veggies, apples, all that kind of stuff. So just want to give you a heads up, and this is how we're doing things here, live from the command center, jwsolarusa.